All parties Hurriyat conference leaders in occupied Kashmir paying glowing tributes to the martyrs of July 13, 1931 and other martyrs have reiterated the Kashmiris' resolve to carry forward the freedom movement till it reaches its logical conclusion. Kashmiris observe July 13 as Kashmir's Martyr Day every year. Posters have appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir paying tributes to the martyrs of 13 July 1931 and other martyrs. The Kashmir's Martyrs Day is observed on July 13 every year, not only on the both sides of the line of control but also all over the world by the Kashmiris to pay homage to 22 Kashmiris who were martyred by the forces of Dogra ruler in 1931. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control in Pakistan and the world over will observe the Kashmir's Martyr Day tomorrow to pay homage to the martyrs of July 13, 1931 and all other Kashmiri martyrs. The day will be marked by a complete shutdown in occupied Kashmir and a march towards the martyrs' graveyard at Naqshband Sahib in Srinagar, where the martyrs of July 13 are buried. Call for the observance of the day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and supported by all other pro-freedom leaders and organizations. Protest demonstrations were held in Srinagar and Rajouri areas of the occupied Kashmir against the anti-people policies of the authorities. The residents of Haval and its adjoining areas in Srinagar staged a protest demonstration against the installation of smart meters. President of People's Democratic Party Mehbooba Mufti has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian government is presenting the silence of the graveyard in occupied Kashmir as a victory to quote. Mehbooba Mufti, talking to reporters in Srinagar, welcomed the Indian Supreme Court's decision of disregarding the Indian government's fresh affidavit on the Article 370, which will be discussed in the Apex Court on day-to-day basis starting from August 2nd. Indian police arrested 5 innocent Kashmiri youth in the Budgam district. The youth were arrested by the police and troops during a cordon and search operation in the district. The police labelled the arrested youth as the members of a Mujahid organization to justify their illegal detention. The APHC has also asked the people of the occupied territory to conduct a march towards the martyrs' graveyard in Srinagar to offer Fatiha for the departed souls of the Kashmir's Martyr Day. These martyrs remain buried at this graveyard.